1 plus 1 gives us 2, and 10 times 2 is equal to 20, and then 20 divided by 20 is just 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, here we have the order of operation. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stand for multiplication and division, A and F stand for addition and subtraction. So according to this rule, the first thing to solve is parentheses, and then exponent, and then multiplication or division on the same priority, and then addition and subtraction. So for multiplication and division, we have to solve the problem left to right, right? So there would be no priority among multiplication and division. They have both equal priority, right? So we have to solve starting from left to right, right? So that is how we should solve the problem. And let's do the math correctly to get the correct answer. Here we have 1 plus 1, which gives us 2. And the problem becomes 20 divided by 10 times 2. So here is where most people get wrong. They think multiplication comes before division, therefore multiplication has we should do multiplication first, right? But that is wrong, because multiplication hasn't higher priority than division. They both have equal priority. So we have to solve the problem left to right. So we have to do the division first, because the division comes first, and we solve left to right. 20 divided by 10 gives us 2, and 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So the correct answer to this question is 4.